was a fast one right there.
It just turned.
Hi guys, welcome back to Experimental RC. Today we have a beautiful day outside. It's not too cold, not too hot, perfect weather. Today I have something right here that I've crashed a lot, barely flown, and actually sent back to the company to see if it was actually good or bad. One thing I will say that it was horrible when I got it, but it's so good now. I'm calibrating right now. Okay, everything's good. Yep, all up, down, right, left. Right now, so I have a safe. This is a safe aircraft. First safe aircraft on my, well actually the second, besides the Expert. So it'll maintain altitude, make sure you're straight. Safe, you're nothing. I mean, AS3X, sorry, it just helps you with wind. And tops, doesn't help you with anything. So, has a little camera right here for FPV. It's not the one that comes with it. I put a fat short camera in there instead. I took the Runcam Swift 2 out, and I'm about to go ahead and fly it. This is without the canopy, so it comes with the canopy. I can't fly it because I'm putting a super huge battery in there, and it's super fast. So it has safe launch, so you simply just toss it up, fly practically itself, but straight. So let's go ahead and launch it. Make sure everything's straight. Everything's good. See, they're rattling. That's what it's trying to make it level. There goes nothing. Okay, so look, I'm not even touching anything. I was just flying straight. Now I gotta touch the course. Okay, now I'm gonna fly it on basic. This is basic. So really, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't help you with anything. You can do practically whatever you want with it. Super slow, super low. Now I'm about to step on it and do some super fast flying. It is very fast. I'm about to come do a super low, super fast pass. Hope my camera woman can get it. Woo! That was a fast one right there. Make sure, try to get my hand in the aircraft in the shot. Here, I'm gonna go up. Watch this. I'm gonna go up, go upside down, flip the switch. I'm not doing anything, and it self-leveled itself. So see how it's flying by itself? I want to bring it back, of course. Now it glides for super long. Let's test the glide ratio. Not touching it. Full power all the way down. Let's line it up with the runway, and we're just gonna let it glide. I'm gonna turn it back over here to flip. It's gliding. It's been gliding since way back there. Okay, glide, 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 and I don't want to glide it into the field. So we're gonna do another super low pass. Really low pass. It flies super slow, guys, and it flies super nice. Actually, about 2 hours ago, I would actually say different. I would actually say this is the world's dumbest aircraft. It sucks. I just got it straight flying, and it is the best airplane in the world. I'm about to do another fast pass. And I've got about 13 minutes on full throttle about half of the time and little throttle about half of the time. So it's pretty good on especially battery. Now we're gonna do a beautiful landing. Look at that close to the ground proximity flying. Oh, it glides so long. It's like, what? So yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and content, and I'll see you later.